Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are taking a look over Titan and auto staking and auto compounding protocol. Now it may seem like any other protocol which we have seen in the past, but this one is quite different because I have taken a look over their docs and the utilities that they are bringing to the table are pretty impressive. Okay, so the feature that sets it apart from the other auto staking protocols is that they have their own DEX. So the team has launched their own DEX and this protocol on the same day, providing utility to their auto staking and auto compounding protocol. Because without utility, it is really impossible to sustain these high APY auto staking and auto compounding protocols in the long run. And this team is providing it in the form of their own DEX, and there are many more utilities that are coming in the upcoming weeks. So I really like the fact that they have launched their own DEX on the same day without promising anything like other protocols, and they delivered it on day one. So coming over to the protocol itself, so they are offering a fixed APY of 125,000% and the rebases are paid every 30 minutes and you have to simply buy and hold their Titan token into your wallet to earn the rebase reward. So at the end of the year, if you have invested $1,000 worth of Titan tokens, you can earn up to $1 million, but don't take it as it is because in crypto market changes all the time. So take this with a grain of salt. So like any other auto compounding protocol, they have insurance fund and their treasury, and they also have this afterburner. So 3% of buys and 3.5% of Titan cells traded are burnt in the afterburner. So this is like Seifu, the thing that they are doing in their fire pit. So all the Titan tokens that are accumulated during buys and sells are kept in this afterburner. And if the developer wants, they can burn these tokens to increase the price of the token and reduce the circulating supply of the tokens. So coming over to their tokenomics, they have an automatic LP, 4% of order fees return to the liquidity, and 2.5% goes to the insurance fund, 4.5% goes to the treasury, and 3% goes to the afterburner. So here they have compared themselves with Titano and Libro. You can go through these features yourselves. Now coming over to their white paper, Titan is a revolutionary rebase token. Its own original code combines elements of a rebase token and share token. So Titan has been launched on their own Orbital swap on the same day, and having their own DEX solves many issues and lays the groundwork for future growth around the Titan's original code. Now the interesting part is that they are launching another token, that is TY share. Now this token will be launched after 2 weeks of their Titan token. So profits from the DEX will be shared with TY share owners, which will be sold later in separate sales. These TY shareholders are in effect shareholders in Orbital Swap and have unparalleled power and opportunity. So this is their roadmap. There are a lot of things that are coming as a service. This is the Titan token which we have covered recently. So coming over to their TY share token or TY share. So TY share will be stakeable on their Orbital SS to earn BNB from Orbital's trading fees. Think of it like owning a piece of the desk. So it will be launched in pre-sale about 2 weeks after Titan launch. So this is their Orbital SS. Orbital will be the Swiss Army knife of DEX. The SS stand for Super Swap, Super Sale or Space Station. So like most DEX, you will be able to swap to and from any listed currency. So this is their Orbital swap, and it is basically like a pancake swap which you use to swap tokens or add liquidity. But what this does, this will also act as a launchpad for other different projects, and they will add more features into it in the future. And these features will be yield farms, token creation, liquidity locking, token locking, and so on. Now coming over to the orbs, this will be their yield token for Orbital SS. Now this is also a really great feature, Titan Launchpad. Titan is going to be the standard for rebase tokens going forward, and we want to help to make sure new Titan forks are done right. We will work with the development teams to make sure the code is correct. The new Titan forks will have our approval, so we limit the outfall of bad actors that plague other forks. If you want to set up your own Titan fork, we are here to provide you with support and guidance. In exchange for our support, we will ask you for a percentage of your Titan fork tokens to be airdropped to all Titan holders. This will provide you with a huge benefit and boost right away. So I am really happy that these guys, these developers are looking to add utilities and provide incentive to be a Titan holder rather than simply distributing rebases and going downhill from there. So I really think that utility is the best thing that can happen into these auto staking and auto compounding protocols, because it's the only way to keep them sustainable for a longer period of time.